Hello everyone, welcome to Feed My Recipe. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share chickpea curry recipe, it's also called Chana Masala. Let's get started today's recipe. First, I'm going to heat the deep pan and adding some cooking oil. Then I am adding 1 bay leaf, 4 pieces of cardamom and half teaspoon of cumin seed. Then I am adding 1 medium size of onion finely chopped. Fry it for few seconds. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then fry it all together until the little bit of golden brown. In this stage I am adding all masala together. When you add masala, your flame should be on low heat, otherwise masala will get burned. After adding masala, just give it few seconds stir, 4 to 5 seconds. Then I am adding fresh homemade tomato purees, 1 cup. Give it nice stir one more time. Then I am adding 1 cup of water. Stir few seconds, then cover and let it simmer. Now we can see our gravy is so colorful and becoming creamy texture. For more creamy texture and flavor, in this stage I am adding 1 cup of fresh yogurt. Give it nice stir, it should be mix it well. See, our gravy is becoming more creamy texture. Now I am adding boiled chickpea, which is I have already boiled and kept aside. After adding all chickpea, give it nice toss. Salt to taste. Then cover and cook 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Our chickpea curry is almost done. In this stage I am going to add one main ingredient, which is kasuri methi. Yes, it's dry kasuri methi. I am going to crush by hand. It gives nice flavor and restaurant style taste. You must add. After adding kasuri methi, give it nice stir. Then I am adding finely chopped fresh coriander leaf. It gives nice flavor too. Our chickpea curry is almost done. I am going to serve it. You can enjoy especially with naan, roti, chapati and rice. It is the best combination to enjoy for chickpea curry. If you found useful these recipes, please do not forget share and subscribe our channel. Stay safe wherever you are and stay connected with us. Till then, see you another recipes. Bye bye.